Good evening everybody and welcome back to Crypto Analista. Today we'll practice analyzing Solana. Alright, if we want to indicate the pivots, we'll have some important pivots right here, there. We have another one right here. Well, we may not use it. We have one right here. We have two pivots here and another one here. We have got some minor pivots around this area, so we'll talk about it later. Right now I think we need to define some static resistance and support. Well, the high of all time is always important for us and we put it very thick. You can see we had kind of fake break right there, so the three touches shows that it is really important. It is it's been verified for many times, and we also have another resistance right there. Well, maybe the combination of these two will gives us an area of resistance. These are also two supports, but these provides the area of resistance for us, because you can see that when it refuses the price, when the price falls down, we again come back up and have a touch to this bottom red line right there. Well, I think this might be an area of resistance. We might find some support right here. Let me make it green. We may not use it, but the low of all time is also important. Maybe not now, but it exists. Can we find another support or maybe resistance? Well, I think we have it, but not as a static. I think we can have a trend line right here. Well, I was expecting these two to be in the same line. What if we connect this one? We probably may find some other resistance right there, and you can see how the price been reacting to it. When we defined the resistance right there, we had two touches. When we broken it, we again came back down, had a touchdown right there two times, and even after that we still reacting to this resistance and support, to this static line. We might also have another trend line right here. If we connect the two first pivots and continue the line, let me show it like that. If we connect these two, extend right line, you can see the price been reacting to this orange line for 3, 4, 5 times. Maybe also this sixth time we may also react. What if we connect these two together? Is this going to give us another trend line? And if we continue it from left, it was not that valid from the left part. What else we can see? What if we connect these two? Nothing. This top and this bottom. Still nothing, but it looks that we have something parallel. We might have something parallel. So let me remove it and bring a channel that if we place a channel like that, what would give us? Well, it seems that from this area, after this area, our price been reacting to the top part of the channel, the black line, the black trend line you can see right there, and it seems to be a bit valid. So if you agree, we show the area between these two resistance as the area of resistance with this rectangle tool. Maybe remove these two for a better view. Can we see also a trend line between these, or if we connect it to this one? You can see if we connect this pivot and the other pivot right there, we see which trend line the price been reacting to. So what is happening can be defined like that. When this orange trend line been broken, the price had another touch to this orange line, and as this orange support after breaking becoming a resistance, it pushes the price downward until it reaches the other trend line. You can see the black trend line in the black channel. You can see the black trend line is been pushing the price upward before for 3 times, and now for the fourth and fifth time. And well, it seems to be like that. We expect our next destination, which is not very far. It might be something around 5 or 10%. It seems to be like 10-11%. So it's not that much. I expect the black trend line to push it up again. Maybe it can help. Maybe it can support the price to break again this red resistance. The point is, the black trend line been validated, verified for many times. We had done so many touchdowns, but all the trend lines, all the support and the resistances are going to be broken someday. But right here, I see this black trend line is stronger than this orange trend line. But right here, the combination of the resistances may cause the price to fall down and break the black trend line. What I think will happen, first of all, is we come back down and the black trend line may push it upward until it reaches the area of resistance. Maybe area of resistance may again push it downward. Here again, you can see we have combination of red static trend line and the black trend line, and the combination of these two might be strong enough to push it again upward. We will see what will happen after that. If we break this area of resistance, we have also broken, we may also can say we have broken the high of all time, and well, I think we can expect a growth more than 20%. If we assume that this is triangle, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touches. So we also may break the orange trend line from this part, but wherever we break the trend line, we expect something around 35% of rising. The target might be 342. But if we lose the black trend line, I think we still can expect the 30% of losing, which might be somewhere here. And it also looks very natural because I also can see a horizontal trend line. You can see that this is the bottom of our target, and we also have a static support right here. This is the place where we're expecting the price to reach. So again, by showing with the arrows, if we lose the price from here, we expect it to reach this part. But if the price may successfully break the orange trend line, we expect it also to reach the next orange resistance. It's been around 24 hours after I recorded this video, and well, I've been thinking about, I saw some pattern right here. You can see a triangle right here, and well, the slope of triangle shows that the buyers are not pretty sure to buy. Usually these kind of triangles break down from the bottom. These are always probabilities, but the combination of the triangle with the resistances we see in front of us, I think they tell us that from anywhere from now on, because we had 4 touches, I think it is more probable to see the triangle is breaking down from the bottom. Thanks for watching, and comment down if you think I missed something important.